Hello there guys, this is Marco Robinson, Entrepreneur of the Year, Knighted for Charity, #1 best-selling author, award-winning filmmaker, the list goes on. But at the end of the day, those titles don't make me an online income. And what you've got to think about right now is how you can turn your business or your business idea to create an online income where you can work from home, you can work any hours you want, and you can generate extra income streams that you're not getting now. There's a lockdown, there's a vaccine, all of these are uncertain areas. You don't know how long you're going to be in that situation. You might have lost your business, you might have lost your business capital. There's a lot going on right now. And if you don't pivot a little bit and learn how to generate online customers for your products or services, or even design your own online course or social media agency, you will be left behind and you'll be looking for a new place to live that's smaller and smaller and smaller. You have to listen to what I'm saying right now. In 2020, since March, there are double the amount of people actually working from home and using the internet. It's staggering. That means there's over 1 billion more people at home, looking at the phones, looking at the laptops, but mostly on the phone. And you reaching those people on their platform is the secret to massive wealth in 2021. A lot of people thought 2021 would be all over, the virus is gone, everything's fantastic, blah, blah, blah. No, it's got worse. It's got worse. And right now, if you don't do anything about it, bad things are going to happen to your income, if not they're already happening. So I'm very proud to be doing a live Zoom webinar with all of you. All you have to do is put in your email address below, your contact number and your name. And on this live Zoom with you, I will be sharing with you how I went from zero to £76,000 in the month of January already, and the month's not over yet. It's incredible. I have 2 online courses. I don't even sell products, I don't sell services. 2 online courses I developed on my own, and I learned how to do that by paying hundreds of thousands of pounds to other coaches to teach me. You don't have to pay that because I know it. I'm going to teach a lot of the stuff for free. I'm going to get you online now so you can start generating income now. Question, do you want to get online? Do you want to start making money online? Any one of you can do it. Now, if you leave your name and email and phone number, I'm going to give you a free PDF copy of both of these books. They're both #1 best-selling books. This one here is called Close the Deal and Suddenly Grow Rich. It's essentially online selling and platform selling. It made me $1 billion in sales, broke the world sales record. Amazing book because it's from experience. The second book I wrote is called The Financial Freedom Guarantee. People are still reading that and leaving amazing reviews because it's life-changing. And this book says a 10-step award-winning property buying system anyone can use to replace their salary, fire their boss, and never work again. This is a life-changing book. This is a life-changing book. I'm willing to give you these 2 for free just by leaving email and name and watching till the end of my webinar. It's completely free. There's no obligation. And if you don't do it, well, you've got to ask yourself why. Because if you don't do it, you're not going to be able to learn what I'm doing and thousands of other people right now. So don't leave it too late. Go on this webinar now. Put your details in. See you soon. This is Marco. Thank you.